Dr. Satya Paul was born in the year 1919. He was a man who overcame innumerable odds, physical and otherwise, throughout his life. By virtue of his vision, accomplishments and lifelong commitment to excellence, has become a source of inspiration for millions in the country.
Dr. Satya Paul, the founder president of APJ Education Society, has given a lot to the current system. Educational institutes right from pre-primary level to doctorate level. With one school in Jalandhar, he has gone far ahead. So many schools in Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, Maharashtra, UP, and above all, APJ Satya University, where a unique aspect of learning has taken a great shape.
Dr. Satya Paul was among the industrialists who recognized the great role that industry could play in the field of education. And he set up an exemplary institution that would not only lay emphasis on academic excellence, but also the inculcation of human values and the appreciation of Indian culture, arts and heritage.
His belief that it is the good human relations which not only bring great personal rewards but are essential to the success of any organization. He always emphasized on finding the best solution. His success mantra was, what is the problem? What is the cause of the problem? What are all possible solutions? And what is the best solution? The fact that his mission was unmatchable. What he believed 50 years ago, people are realizing now.
Dr. Satya Paul's vision was simple: quality education of global dimensions leading to man-making and nation-building. He was a man of action who believed in doing his karma and considered his greatest reward to be the joy and happiness of those around him. He was a fearless man in his life. He had courageously faced all of life's challenges with indomitable spirit and accepted all rewards with modesty and humility. Afflicted by polio at the tender age of 1.5 years, he did not let his handicap stand in the path of his dreams. It was only after over 30 years that he was able to walk with the help of calipers and walking stick.
अपनी शारीरिक परेशानियों के बावजूद वो साल में 2 से 3 बार हमारे विद्यालय में आते थे। पहले वे वॉकिंग स्टिक के सहारे, फिर बैसाखियों के सहारे और फिर व्हील चेयर पर बैठकर हमसे मिलने आते थे।
He can't be compared to anyone. Many years ago, Swami Ranganathananda said 3 words to him: be a man. This Dr. Satya Paul told the students: a man, in the true sense of the word, a Purushottam who combines brilliance, matchless integrity, and an infinite capacity for hard work and service.
The Purushottam, Dr. Satya Paul, has always been giving to the society. He has given in every shape. As a human being, as a professional, as an educationist, as a philanthropist, as an industrialist. He has proved that a person who gives always remains happy.
He was a gregarious man and a staunch nationalist. He was drawn into the independence movement and was imprisoned for 42 days for being actively involved in the distribution of anti-British literature during the Quit India movement. By virtue of his vision, accomplishments and lifelong commitment to excellence, has become a source of inspiration for millions in the country.
If there really was a pioneer in the field of education in India, I think it would have to be Dr. Satyapal ji. What strikes one about him is his largeness of vision. He definitely had a large vision which was all encompassing, and we are a part of that vision today. In fact, even though he's not with us today, he is very much conspicuous, even though by his absence. His vision today is unfolding in front of our very own eyes. Each and every nook and cranny of the school lives and breathes what Dr. Satyapal ji envisioned, dreamt for APJ society. I feel fortunate because I'm a part of that ongoing legacy, but a part of me feels disadvantaged because I didn't really get to see him. He passed away before my joining this organization.
He was a man with heart of gold. He was a man of pure actions, pure thoughts. He was a true mentor. He was very industrious, and because of these qualities, he achieved his dreams.
He always carried a divine aura around him. That touched the heart of every person who came in contact with him.
As the life is not simple, it is full of challenges that one must face, and Dr. Satyapal has faced his challenges, but a final challenge has to be faced by all. The bitter truth of life is death. On 7th of June 2010, he left for the final abode.
उनका आशीर्वाद सदा हम पर बना रहे, उनके दिखाए रास्ते पर हम चल सकें और इस देश की नई पीढ़ी को शिक्षित कर सकें।
हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदावार पैदा।
But no matter where we are, he will be alive in our memories with his hands giving us blessing. He is a true icon for present and future generations. He has rightly said, "You are a falcon. Soaring high is your nature. There are skies yet for you to conquer."